2008 Chevy Express 2500 high top conversion van, Explorer Limited SE, 83,000 original miles, clean Carfax, 9-passenger high top conversion van, all leather, loaded, clean Carfax all the way. It's got the fade paint, white to silver. Van shows very nicely. Very, very, very minor cosmetic flaws for the age and mileage. Excellent van. Give you the tour. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help at any time. It has Michelin tires. I would say they're about 80% good. Got about 80% tread life on there. The inside of this van is super nice. It's a non-smoker. It does have a sunroof, backup camera, navigation. It is fully loaded, rear entertainment, rear folding electric bed. Paint shows nicely. I'll point out any flaws that I can see. The small little piece here of the grill that's cracked a little bit. It's just this little corner. It's really not a major deal. There's a little tiny scratch here that you can barely see. Other than that, the exterior of this van is excellent. The chrome wheels are starting to show a little bit of age. There's a little bit of pitting on them. That would probably be the worst flaw in the whole vehicle. They're not even that bad. They're definitely fine the way they are. If you wanted to be really picky, that's what you're looking at. Overall, the van shows very nicely. No accidents, clean history. It's not rusty. Tow package. Again, does have navigation, backup camera. And the wheels, it's really only 2 of the wheels that are kind of pitted. The other ones are fine. So they're not really bad. Like I say, they're passable. Anyway, 83,000 original miles. The beautiful fade paint. It goes from white to silver. It's in excellent shape. The roof paint is in good shape. It's not faded or peeling. Tour the interior here. It's Explorer Limited SE. Got Michelin tires. They're real fat tires. This van also has heated seats, front and rear heated seats. 4 captain chairs in the back with the rear folding bed. So you have 6 captain chairs total, rear folding bed. You got headphones throughout. This van comes with seat massagers. Rear heated seats. I mean, this is fully luxurious. Heated seats front and rear. All leather. Excellent condition inside. All the seats are in nice shape. It's not all picked up inside. Very nice. Plenty of room. You got your shades folding in and out all around. They're all there. This van is all there. Like I say, clean Carfax. Got the flat screen TV, DVD player, cooler. All your comforts here. Indirect lighting, rear sunroof. I mean, super nice van. Embroidered leather seating. These seats swivel front and back. They don't go side to side, but they go front and back, and they recline. These captain chairs. They actually do swivel as well. They do swivel. You have a rear power folding seat. Everything works the way it's supposed to. Beautiful inside. You got plenty of room. You can remove seats. You can keep the seats in there if you have to transport a lot of people. We buy and sell a lot of vans, so give us a call at 954-561-2499. This does have a Pioneer sound system all the way throughout. It is the factory navigation system inside. It does have a woofer back here. There is an amplifier. Backup camera. Got all the toys. There's a little piece of the wood grain that's peeling right here. Not a big deal at all. It's almost not noticeable. Just trying to go over everything so you are fully informed. 954-561-2499 if you have any more questions. The van runs and drives perfectly. No issues whatsoever. Power reclining front seat with massager. The front driver's seat has massagers as well as the rear seats. Passenger seat, all heated. All the original stickers. Beautiful wood grain steering wheel. 83,334 miles. There's no warning lights on. The van is running. Runs good. Your navigation system. Excellent. Okay. Rear controls. Everything is here. The van is in excellent condition. Needs nothing at all. Give us a call. 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. Do have the steering wheel controls. It is a 6.0 liter V8.